Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy S24 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Then move down to accessibility. It should be somewhere at the bottom of this page. Here we can see vision enhancements. Then we can change our display mode to default high contrast or large display. You can experiment if you like. I'm gonna go with large display. Then there's high contrast theme that you can switch between none, yellow or blue. It helps with some vision problems if needed. You can also experiment right here, because remember, that's all for preference. Then there's high contrast fonts. When activated, basically all of the text turns solid dark, like colors and clarity right here becomes solid dark, and all of the blue font is gone, it's now dark. Then high contrast keyboard. When activated, you'll see that your keyboard is much more visible. Then we have highlight buttons. When activated, it will outline all of the buttons, or actually most of them, on your phone, so they will be much more easier to notice. Then there's Relumino outline. When activated, it outlines your text on the phone with the white color. As you can see, it's kind of bad to actually use this. I mean, if you like, you can leave it on. Then we have color inversion, color correction, and color filters. If you have any vision problems, you can experiment with those settings to help you. Then there's reduce animations. When activated, it will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. We also have reduce transparency and blur, reduce visual effects on the dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. We can activate extra dim, which will turn your brightness a bit down, and also magnification. Now, if you're using the gesture setup on your phone, then I would recommend to enable it and switch to triple tap screen. Now, when we triple tap on our screen anywhere, it will activate this loop, and you can move it around to read much better. And also to deactivate it, we can triple tap again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.